But today we're gonna make a turnip cake. Small portion of turnip cake. The ingredients, this is how you cut the turnip cake. Some shredded and some diced. Like we're gonna white pepper, sesame oil, sugar, Chinese sausage, Chinese dried mushroom, dried shrimp, shallot, chicken broth, cornstarch, and the rice flour. And what I do, I'm adding this chestnut flour to make it more stronger, the cake. Yeah, that's all for today. So what I do, I boil the diced turnip for about 10 minutes. Right now we're gonna mix the flour, three kinds of flour. Like I'm gonna start in the cornstarch. Oops, too high. And then the chestnut flour. Since we're just gonna make a small portion, you have the flour, not so much. This is the rice flour. One and two. Too much flour, it's gonna get too hard, the cake. It wasn't really good. And then this is the water from the dried shrimp. I'm just gonna add it. And the broth, the chicken broth. So what I do, I mix the three kinds of flour, the cornstarch, the water chestnut flour, rice flour, and some chicken broth. Yeah. Adding shallot, some oil. You can add the Chinese sausage. Slightly fry. Dried shrimp. A dried mushroom. Just let it fry until the fragrance comes out. When you can smell the ingredients like those Chinese sausage, it's ready. You don't need to burn it. And you can add the shredded squeezed turnip. Yeah, just keeping it like this. And the boiled turnip dice. You can actually pour it all, no problem with that. So just let it boil for a while. And then you can just add the dissolved three kinds of flour like what I said before, the rice flour, chestnut flour, and the cornstarch. Yeah, you can actually slowly adding it. Yeah. Just make sure to dissolve those flour first before you adding. You can turn it slow, the stove, and then you have to just mix it. You can add the sesame oil at the last. Sesame oil. Just few drops. As you can see, this one is a small portion. And it's ready to put in a molder. It's very fast, right? Yeah. Pinos me.
Nakain po siya.
Oh, this is the molder what I make. Yeah, just adding it. Just make sure to flatten carefully the cake so it would be hard to cut. Yeah, see? So pretty, right? And then just cover with the foil. Just cover the foil. That's it. Ready to steam. Put in steamer. It's hot. So steam it for half an hour. See? Half an hour. After half an hour, it's ready. 30 minutes, this is how it looks like. You can add the sesame seeds on top of it. Yeah, not so many, not so much. And some green onion. So that's it. Tomorrow you can fry it. Like tomorrow you can slice the syrup you want and then just cut it, then ready to fry. Ay, pwede may kitang food.